Understanding the price range for micro-high-speed centrifuges can help set a budget and compare the cost-effectiveness of different products. Price range overview. Budget models start around $500 to $500 to $1,000. Mid-range models range from $1,000 to $1,000 to $3,000. High-end models cost upwards of $3,000 to $3,000 to $1,000. Factors influencing cost. Brand reputation. Well-known brands typically command higher prices. Features. Advanced features increase the price significantly. Performance capabilities. Higher speeds and RCF contribute to a higher cost. Capacity. Larger capacity models tend to be more expensive. The price range for micro-high-speed centrifuges varies widely depending on the brand, features, and performance capabilities. To learn more about our range of micro-high-speed centrifuges, or if you have any questions regarding their operation, please contact me through my email provided on my homepage. I will respond within 24 hours.